creating some distance from the regular digital currencies. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade mechanized market creator to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the interesting highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two brilliant agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has a special component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This element of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, wiping out the go-betweens or consent totally. Subsequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Subsequently, the liquidity gets represented for these parts likewise. As a decentralized convention for computerized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was wizardry for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While surprising the crypto world, a flood of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to definite Uniswap cost expectation. Uniswap, grasping details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the innovative and practical ecospace. Uni supports trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost equitably viz. The connection among organic market is the deep-rooted peculiarity of inconsistent connection works for Uni token. Brokers come to showcase with desires that the Uniswap digital currency market they hold will guarantee extraordinary returns. In any case, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting procedures or any elective momentum venture choice. In the event that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be smart for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a gigantic scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will major areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate, however entrepreneurial, and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap Uni cost forecasts, this is the most proper chance to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing merchant. To comprehend the value vacillations of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past narrative of Uniswap. At long last, beam of trust, there is potential for merging patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher opinion. As per Uniswap gauge, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 for the time being. Uniswap has accomplished one of the best 10 situations in cryptographic forms of money this year. And as per Uniswap cost forecasts, the presentation may be completely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. As per Uni cost expectation, Uniswap appears to show a bullish pattern, which demonstrates a positive sign to a financial backer for getting a huge return from Uniswap. As per Uniswap value forecast and specialized examination, it appears Uniswap is accidental. It is of now exchanges at just multiple times more than beginning in 2022. So this pattern proceeds with will be seen till December 2022, and the cost might go up to $9.38. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of segregation with regards to monetary forms. The greater part of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar sad destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet securing the conflict of the excess titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap. The ongoing cost of Uni is above $10, with the computerized resource Uni token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563. It is without a doubt a hopefulness in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in view of Uniswap cost figure. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have enormous distinction. Uniswap value forecast 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves going ahead into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a prompt sharp remedy toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the primary year, as indicated by Uni cost expectation 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value expectation 2023. fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some obstruction, yet it can't be said with conviction about the positive difference in cost of Uni regarding whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this cryptographic money Uni. There could be a few massive changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. Uni, notwithstanding, is known to be strong and predictable. Both worldwide financial aspects may too significantly affect Uniswap cost development, as indicated by Uniswap forecast. The base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value forecast 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee as per Uni cost forecasts that value remedy may likewise be compelling around this period, taking the Uniswap cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market producer. In the main, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Area explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap, thus coming towards its modern objectives. One thing that can be ensured about the Uni token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Uniswap value forecast 2025. According to Uniswap value forecast and our own exploration, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that Uni would ride the buyer market by 2025. Uni could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, insisting its position showing steadiness. As per Uniswap expectation, in the main half, it would go up to $16 and the greatest cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value forecast 2026. As indicated by Uni cost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the principal half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap conjecture fascination for dealers and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into Uni Kitty. And we could see positive cost change. Uniswap, a rising end. As per Uniswap cost expectation, there are incredible expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is most likely an ideal apparatus for designers and architects creating all the more such decentralized applications. Taking into account Uniswap is a new task and gullible locally, it really depends on the initiative group to provide it the ideal guidance to upgrade the objective set with the end goal of a more exorbitant cost. There are more splendid skylines, yet everything reduces to the reality how the whole advanced cash industry flourishes. Really look at here are other long-haul digital money expectations. Does Uniswap have a future? As of now, the exchanging volume of Uniswap is $1,229,613,764 and the market cap of $21,045,755,194 in the crypto market. The ongoing cost of Uniswap is $10.26. In the event that dependable financial backers stay firm in their confidence in the money, the Uni token cost is definitely going to rise and have a splendid future ahead. An expected